Johnny from Johnny's Vintage. We're liquidating a friend's motorcycle collection for him. And we redid this motorcycle a while back for him. And after being on display in his office, he's decided to get rid of it. So what we've got going on here is, to start with, we've got an absolute perfect frame with no welding at all. Bodywork's been all done, new paint job. Got the badges here with the rivets. Got the fender tip. Paint's beautiful. Got new spokes. The hubs have been all redone. Brand new tires. Rebuilt forks, new fork seals, fork oil, everything. New steering bearings. Got original headlight ring. It's kind of a little gooned here. If you look at it real close, it's got a few little marks right here. Kind of hard to see, but it is there. We got keys for it right here. Got the one-piece bars. Got all the wiring in here. It's all new cloth wiring. Now, I didn't get with the customer earlier today, but the bike shows 23,000 miles on the odometer. This is an original speedometer, but I can't confirm that mileage to be correct 100%. Got the original grips. Got the nice steering dampener. With the exception of the bike being a 12-volt system, I'd say the bike's pretty original. This would be a great everyday rider. There's no welding on the cases that we could see. We put this bike together for him some time ago, and the motor and transmission were already rebuilt. Now, we can go here, and I believe all the sheet metal is original. I believe. Got the flat lens right here. Got the 55 tail lamp body right here. I think the bags may be reproduction. I'm not 100% sure on that one. Got nice crash bars. If you come to this side of the motorcycle, we've got a circuit breaker right here, just in case something happens. This will go instead of frying out the system. And it's got a later model oil pump on it. Looks like the saddlebags are original, or the floorboards are original, I believe. I believe the exhaust is also original stuff. Very nice motorcycle. Very nice motorcycle. I believe this is the original air cleaner. Of course, it's got the linkered carburetor. A great bike. This would be nice for someone's collection. This would be nice for someone's museum, or this would be a great everyday rider, something to ride around. There's basically no mileage on this since the restoration was done. I rode it around a little bit. I'm not sure about the seat. Now, the gentleman owns it is he's a larger gentleman, so he's got the springs on it all the time. So we're going to be offering this on eBay for sale, so if there's some interest. Now, we get around the motorcycle racing a little bit. We race a vintage flat track and modern flat track, so we possibly could have some low-cost shipping available on request. So now I'm going to try to start it up, and the bike's perfectly cold. So we've got the fuel valve over here. I'm going to raise it up to make sure that it's on. I like to leave them on reserve. Choke is over here. I'm going to put the choke on all the way. I'm going to hold the throttle wide open. So what I'm trying to do is I'm basically trying to flood it. Take it through about 3 or 4 times. Okay, all the way back up to the top, down 1 click. I'm going to retard the spark a little bit. This is all still working. I'm moving the distributor over here. Get it up on compression one more time. A little bit of gas. Rear kick. They all kind of start in their own separate way. Taking the yoke off. No smoke. Ride it a little bit, see if there's any bugs in it or not. I usually like to ride it about 100 miles or so. So we're going to go out and ride it. The motor runs great. So we're going to ride it, see if we get some bugs out of it or if there are any. So good luck and thanks a lot.